I'm here at the Blackman and White stand talking with Alex. Now, Alex, I believe you're going to run us through this machine right here and tell us a lot more about the company in general.
Yes, so what we've got here is the Genesis V, which is our latest generation cutting machine. And my colleague here is just going to demonstrate how the machine, as a versatile solution, is able to carry multiple different tools for being able to process different materials. So right now, the demonstration that we're running is textile. This is, I think, a woven textile, and this material we're cutting with the laser. So we've got a camera system which is capable of locating the image or locating the cut file to be correctly aligned with the printed fabric. And this is a rather small machine for Blackman and White. We do conveyorized machines that are 3 meters wide and 3 meters long, and many other options. So this is a small machine that we brought here to the show, so we can show the range of equipment that we manufacture. And we're trying to make sure that we have a solution to meet the price point that customers need. So I'm just going to grab one of these bags in a second as it finishes doing the cutting.
So it's really quite quick a process.
It's a very quick process, and normally you'd have it as a conveyor, and then what would happen is instead of having to take the parts off manually, the material would advance automatically and it would just keep running.
On to the next step.
Completely hands-off approach. So the idea is here we've got a finished cut part, and this would typically be sewn up into a simple bag.
It's a lovely demonstration there of
There
folding.
Anyway, I'm a natural. So this machine isn't just for laser cutting. There's many other applications that customers in the sign and print industry are looking for. So this machine is well capable of cutting other materials. This is an acrylic sample. I think it's 8mm acrylic. And the intricacy that you can cut with the laser is really impressive, and you get a lovely flame polished edge. It just feels really nice. Yeah? And then routing is an example of something that's routed. I think that's 3mm aluminium. So all on the one machine, just by changing the modular tooling, you're able to cut these different media very quickly, very efficiently. And so we really believe that this machine has an excellent return on investment, and it represents really good value for money.
I was going to say very cost effective in that aspect.
Solution. Not just cost effective, but small floor space. And a lot of people that are coming to the show are saying, you know, I really want a machine, but I don't have enough room for a laser cutter and a knife cutter and a router. Well, you buy this and you've got it all in one. So it's a simple solution.
There's the ticket.
Okay. Now, I wanted to talk a little bit about Brexit, because it's a question which is keeps coming up. And so before the show, we did a little bit of a survey about what our customers think about Brexit. It's all very well for me to say what I think about Brexit, but what's the feedback from our customers? And the survey came back that somewhere around just over 40% of our customers are holding off on making capital expenditure because they're concerned about where the future's going to lead. And I completely respect that. You know, making a large investment in a new machine, we've got uncertain times. And so, you know, there's that concern. However, there's still, we've had 20%, just over 20% of our customers also responded that they're concerned about meeting the demands or the having enough capacity post-Brexit. And with any kind of change, whilst it makes us nervous, if Brexit goes badly and we do have no deal exit and all these things and there's going to be import tariffs, the UK is a huge market for sign and print. And a lot of the print is actually coming from overseas. So maybe companies that are currently supplying into the UK won't be able to compete, which will give more opportunity for UK companies and more capacity opportunity for UK companies. So it's a double-edged sword. So whichever way it goes, there's still an excellent future for sign and print. And if you look at the market statistics, I think sign and print is over a $20 billion international market, and it's growing at 5% at the moment. So you can see that there's a lot of opportunities still in this industry. Do you have any questions for me?
I think you've covered mostly everything there.
Thank you very much.
Thanks so much for sharing. And
No problem.
It looks like you're going to have a great show.
Thank you. Thank you very much.